My phonics superheroes and reading superstars. Welcome to day 24 of my Phonics Boost. Well done on all of your hard work and coming this far. I hope you're seeing an improvement in your phonics skills and with your confidence too. But of course, we've still got lots more to learn. So let's get our phonics brain switched on, our superhero listening ears turned on, and let's get started. Right, my phonics superheroes, we've been doing these sounds for a couple of days, but I'm going to go over them one more time, make sure we're listening. J, w, qu, y, x. Your turn now. Do you think you can do it faster? Excellent. Do you think you can do it even quicker? I know you can. That was super quick. Well done you. Of course, we're not going to forget the sounds we've already been looking at. I want to hear you. Excellent. I'm going to put these sounds with these ones. Can you do them all together? Are you ready? Well done you. And of course, we're not going to forget these ones. Are you ready? Excellent. And what about these ones that we did even further ago? I want to hear you. Excellent. Well done. Now the sound that we're going to be focusing on today is the y sound. Now the y sound is a short sound. Y, y, y. Y, y, y. Excellent. Now we've practiced saying the sound, let's look for some objects that use the y sound. So, phonics superheroes, in my magic box, I've got some objects that start with the y sound and some that don't. And I need you to help me sort it out. Do you think you can help me? Are we ready? Oh no, not again. It's empty. I think we need some phonics magic. Can you remember our magic spell? That's right, we say hocus pocus, phonics focus. Let's say it together. Hocus pocus, phonics focus. Let's see if it worked. For you, it did. So I'm going to show you the objects inside. I want you to tell me yes if it starts with the y sound and no if it doesn't. Are you ready? Yogurt, yes. Rabbit, no. Yo-yo, yes. Queen, no. Now this is a yak, and yak starts with the y sound. So now we've sorted them out, I'm going to put them all back in, and this time I'm going to be much quicker. Do you think you can do it? Are we ready? Well done. Thank you very much for helping me sort those out. Now we're going to practice our oral blending. Right, we need to make sure our superhero listening ears are turned on. I'm going to sound out each word and I want to hear you blend it. Y-e-s. Yes. Y-e-t. Yet. Y-a-p. Yap. Now a yap is a short, high-pitched sound that a little dog might make. Now we're going to practice reading some words. Right, my reading superstars, for our new y words, I'll sound them out first and then it's your turn. Y-e-s. Yes. Your turn. Yes. Y-a-p. Yap. Your turn. Yap. Y-e-t. Yet. Your turn. Yet. Excellent. Right, now we've done them together. Just you. Yes. Yap. Yet. Excellent. Right, my phonics superheroes, are you up for a challenge? Our challenge word today is yelp. Now a yelp is a short, high-pitched cry that you might make if you're hurt or surprised. My turn first. Y-e-l-p. Yelp. Your turn. Yelp. Excellent. Your turn again. Yelp. Excellent. Right, time for a rewind and we're going to go over some words we've already looked at. Right, because we've done these before, just you. Quit. Quiz. Excellent. Now we've looked at the next word for a couple of days. Let me see if you just know it. Are we ready? Win. Right, want to hear you sounding it out? Win. Excellent. Moving on to our tricky words. And our new tricky word today is have. 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 Excellent. Let me see if you can remember the tricky words we've already been learning. Said. So. Her. Excellent. Don't worry if you didn't learn them. Let me do them again. Said. So. Her. Right, just you now. Let's put our new one in. Have. Said. So. Her. Have. Excellent. Well done on your reading today. We are nearly at the end of day 24. Well done, you. We're going to go through our sounds and then play our little game. Now, we've been doing these sounds for a few days, so I'm not going to say them, just you. Can you do it quicker? Do you think you can do it even faster? I know you can. Woo. Excellent, well done. Right, time for our little game where I take some sounds away. Tell me which one I'm missing. Off we go. Which one's missing? J. Excellent. Right, which one am I going to take away now? Are you ready? Which one was missing? Yeah. Excellent. And one last sound I'm going to take away. Which one am I going to take? I'm going to take away this one. Are you ready? Which one was missing? Well done. And you are finished. I am feeling very proud of all of your hard work, and I hope you're feeling very proud of yourself too. Let's give you a great big pat on the back. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. Well done, me. Well done, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Bye.